Hi there, it's Jenny from Ginger Ninja Crafts, and I'm here today to do a little tutorial of a little tag book that I made using the new collection from Julia McNeil Crafts. For those of you that don't know, I'm lucky to be on the design team for JMC Designs, and today on the craft store there is a one-day special featuring this brand new collection. So here is a little bouquet that I've made and sent off for a sample. So if you keep watching this, then you will see a little tutorial of what I did to construct the book. So as you'll see there, it says a little birdie told me, and this bird here is one of the stamps that I've used. And I've also used some of the paper collection, and the sentiments have come from one of the sort of cut apart sheets. There's like kind of toppers, and let me just show you. So there's a sheet here that's got lots of different sentiments and hearts and flowers and clouds that you can cut out and use. I have also used a little bit from this. There's also some topper cards, and I don't know if you can see, this is like really nice, thick, good quality. And the other bits I've used are some of the patterned papers. Not this sheet, but some of these pattern papers. So a little birdie told me. And then it opens it up, and I've got another one of the stamped images, and I've used some of these little cut apart clouds. It says, like snowflakes, we are all beautiful. This is one of the cut aparts, actually. I didn't colour this one in. Flowers. So we are all beautiful in our own way. And I've taken this tree and this little sort of fruit, and then I've added a couple of snowflakes that I've fussy cut from the paper sheet, and then it just ties up with this little ribbon, so that, because otherwise it kind of springs up, so it's, you can stick it in the post to somebody to send them a little bit of happy mail. So if you keep watching, I'll show you how I constructed this little tag book. Dead easy. Hi there, it's Jenny from Ginger Ninja Crafts, and I am making a little tag book today. So I've already given you a little flip through, and this is me constructing it. So these are the two stamp sets that I've used, and I've also used some of the papers from this collection and some of the toppers and kind of cut apart images as well. And I've got two pieces of card here for the basis of my little tag book. So this one here is the length of an A4 sheet of card, and it is, I think, 12 centimetres, yeah. And I have taken another piece which is also 12 centimetres, but it is just under 21 centimetres long, and I scored it to make this little concertina, and there's like a little extra bit here, and then these three bits. And so the first step is I'm going to glue that onto this so that can dry. Oh, actually, maybe I will, no, I'll glue it and then I'll cut the pieces. So you could use tape, double-sided tape for this, but I kind of find the wet glue, although you need to give it a little bit of time initially to set. Once it's set, it holds better than. Sometimes I find the double-sided tape can kind of flip. So there we go. So that is that bit. Now, what I did was I made a little template, and I think, yeah, to make it into the little tag, this is 1.5 centimeters down from the top and 1 centimeter in each side, and then I just cut the corner, and then I can just line this up and draw them like that, and then I'll chop them off. I've already done this before the foam video. This is just really showing the construction. Okay, if I make a little tag, now you can make it so that it puts USB for journaling or for writing a message to somebody. You can just look nice. I've just done with my blue fountain papers. So now that's constant up. Now, so that this can be kind of contained a little, because you'll see it's very springy, I have made a little piece to go on the back, and I have got some ribbon here. This I think I got at the range, and it's kind of, it's a little bit sparkly, so I just need enough that's gonna tie a nice bow, so that will do me. And to contain that, I'm going to use, excuse me, stretching, a little bit of double-sided tape just to hold it in place, and then I'm going to stick this on top to keep it there. So kind of in the middle, and I've only got this very skinny tape, so I might, yeah, I'll do an extra wee layer of it there. Like so. And then about halfway up, I'll just stick that down. And then glue this back on. So this one is just slightly smaller than the overall page size, so it just sits on like so. So now I have already created my pages, so I'll just show you these. And what I started with was I made a template which is the same size as this back page. It is a little bit smaller, so it's 1 centimetre in. So it's 6 centimetres across rather than this is 7, and 11 centimetres tall rather than 12. And I've nipped in the tabs at the top as well, and I cut a whole series of these bits of patterned paper and used my template for that. So I've got my front page to go on here, and got one of these cute little birdies on there, and the words come from one of the cut apart sheets. So there's a whole load of different phrases that you can use there. So a little birdie told me, and then I must check. I'm not sure if this one is Charlotte or Enid. One of the two. I need to double check. Then this second page, I know that I've got Uma, and she is perched on a wee cloud. And the next little bit of this says the start of the kind of message for the book. So page. So there we go. We've got a little birdie told me, like snowflakes, we are all beautiful in our own way. And then we can just tie it up. So I hope that you enjoyed that that little tutorial, and